Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to sign out of Apple ID on iPhone. Signing out of Apple ID is pretty easy process and here's how to do it. First of all, unlock your iPhone and then go to iPhone settings app. And here tap on your Apple ID or your name. And here scroll down and you will see here the sign out option. All you have to need just tap on sign out and now you have to verify your Apple ID password. So all you have to need in this box, type your Apple ID password and just tap on turn off and your Apple ID will be signed out from your iPhone. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.